onto one hip and then left leg forward. We will start now. Let's go. Left leg forward, using the hip flexors maybe, and then come back. Active reach. Forward. Swing it back. Keep it flowing. Keep your breath smooth.